Hey everyone. This week's video gets a video before the video. It's about the website. You know I don't like mentioning the website, but we gotta talk about Red Team Tools. Last week, early in the week, I started getting messages from people saying, hey, something's weird. My order doesn't seem to be shipping. Like, what's up? And I was like, I don't know. I see you in the system. Should be shipping. We got the warehouse staff in every day moving that out. Then I figured out what happened. Midweek, I worked with my web team. I was like, dude, something's weird with ShipStation. Are you not seeing these orders? We're getting like a couple hundred orders that have not moved for a day or two. And they went, oh crap. And then they tried to fix that. And I thought we were good. And then later in the week, I started getting more emails. People are saying, hey, I want to buy stuff from you, but I can't check out. And I went to my web team and I was like, what the hell's going on? And they went, oh yeah, dude, ShipStation. It's like pork chop sandwiches over there. So yeah, if you don't know, many of you who do anything in e-commerce do know, ShipStation shit the bed. A lot of people use ShipStation for website integration, and they have had a bunch of problems last week. Their engineers are on it. Right now, as of, well, shortly up until an hour ago, you could buy everything you want. Like you put everything in the web cart on our site, but you couldn't check out because it would just say there's no shipping options available. And people were emailing me. They're like, I'm in Phoenix. I bought from you last year. I'm in Calgary. I'm in, New South Wales. Don't you still ship here? I'm like, yeah, we do. But now I know we couldn't. Here's what I did to fix it. And I'm just going to take a bath on this one. Who cares? I have pseudo done like automagic shipping calculation. It's not live shipping calculation. The website will just try to judge what's in your cart kind of by weight and dimensions and make an educated guess and round it a little bit. So I dialed it down on most of those estimates. Some of you are maybe about to get a smoking deal and I'm going to eat it on some shipping pricing. But yeah, that's what we're going to get right now until ShipStation gets fixed. And if you work there, please scream at somebody and tell them that it's still not fixed yet because some people insist it is. But for now, if you try to check out, the site's up and running, Red Team Tools is fine. And many of you, after you watch this little clip, might like something that I got for you, special. Also, read the footnotes in this upcoming video because I think things are even cheaper than I said when I recorded this. Effectively, you can get shit for free. And, if you're like me, it's free, it's for me, and I'll take 3. So, yeah, I think we're up and running okay. If you put a bunch of stuff in your cart and you don't like the shipping that it estimates, wait a week. We'll have it fixed by then, hopefully. But in the meantime, just keep emailing me with anything that happens. We're on top of it. We're doing our best. My web team is there. I'm there. We do all this not to, make a big retirement pile of money. We just do it for fun because we want to be there for you. So here's something coming there for you. I hope you enjoy this one.
Hey everyone. Final wristband video. I know I keep saying that, right? But we've got parts. We have little replacement parts now. I was able to order them. We've talked about this, right? Let's say you've got a wristband and you want to take it off because, who the hell wants to wear one of these all night and all day for multiple whoever's got going, whatever you got going on. So you snipperoo. You destroy the original clasp, but the wristband itself is fine. It's totally uncut. Well, we now have replacements of those exact snap parts. Let's go ahead and pop one back through on this side, just like the original would be, right? If we've got this wristband on someone's wrist, bring it on around, fold it on over. What would you be using? You'd be using this side to give it a snap, and now there you are. So easily replaceable. We have them in black as well as white. I know they come in different colors and flavors and everything else online. I'm doing what I can do here for as cheap as I can make them. Speaking as cheap as I can make them, I've got them for you as a little drug dealer hookup here. I've got a 10-pack, well, a double 10-pack, right? We're going to do 10 white and 10 black, obviously in 2 pairs, right? Or two, so you got 40 little bits in here. This is going about as cheap as we can make it. I'm trying to do the math on this. It's gonna be maybe like $3 or $3.50. And why? You're like, Jesus, Steve, these cost you nothing. They do. They almost cost me nothing at all. But my warehouse doesn't cost me nothing. I have to deal with the fact that there are warehouse processing fees for pull and pluck and ship. But here's what I'll do. I think I've got it working on the website. It should be working when you see this video. If you want to add one of these little wristband snaps to your cart on Red Team Tools, God, I hate freaking mentioning the website, but there's no way around it on this one. If these are in your cart, and you're ordering a big order, like I think we flagged it at like $100, which a lot of you are. Holy crap. The amount of leashy tools that you people are buying, I realize the prices are cheap on our site, but god damn, you can't love the standoff spacers that much. Anyway, if you've got a proper sized order in the web cart and you add this to the cart, and then at checkout you use the code SNAPS, these will become $1 essentially. They're literally like at cost at that point. I'm just trying to give them away because I just think these are neat. Now I'm realizing there's going to be some joker out there who's going to say, well, if they're $3 here, and they're going to add 30 something of them to the cart and make the cart $100, and then they're going to try to use the coupon code to knock it off. And then we've got like a Tsiolkovsky rocket equation going on of like savings. I don't know if it'll discount all of them or just one of them. I got to figure it out. But my idea is, if you're placing a decent sized order, I want to be able to throw these in practically for free. We'll figure it out on the site. Again, coupon code SNAPS. If you try it out, let me know. If you try these at a festival or at a security event or a concert or a corporate, secure spot where you're not supposed to be. It's this is the corporate meeting of the shareholders, and I got my free drinks because I got my... Tell me about it. Tweet me photos about it. All right. I've been having so much fun playing with this and the tamper stuff. I've got a whole lot more tamper content coming up at you. I'm going to put together some really cool chemical content coming up soon. But for now, wristband snaps, we got them for you. We finally were able to source them, and you don't have to start cutting up big old wristbands anymore. How many of you got the wristbands from me before? Right? In the giant giveaway we did of them. A lot of you have been reaching out and tweeting and so forth. I dig it. And nowadays, this will be the giveaway this time, right? So if you want to get the little baggie of these, I'll put it down here today. The giveaway URL, if you're signed up for it, I'll do a drawing, at least a bunch. There's 10 of these. I'll get at least 10 of you that I'm just going to give bags away. So, boy, that's going to hit me in the wallet, because apparently the post office doesn't like thick things. They'll treat this as not just like, I could put a Hallmark greeting card that's puffy and that's just a stamp. But sometimes like, oh, this is like $1.85. I'm going to try to just put a forever stamp and hope it gets to you. It's a free giveaway. What do you want? Okay, there you go. Not going to keep talking at you. Just a fun one this week. I'll see you online. I'll see you at the cons. Things are opening up. I hope everyone's doing well. Wherever you are, wherever you're breaking into, whatever you're trying to scam a drink off of somebody, just stay safe out there.